Heater installed today. We got a Mr. Heater. Homeowner got it at Menards, I think. And he's got a sling mount system. We're going to mount these to here. And then this guy goes on there. Like so. And we can spin it. And we're going to hang that on those 2 units, 2 trusses right there by the thermostat wire. And then we're going to shoot that heater like between this wheelbarrow and the TV here. And the chimney is going up through the roof right behind that thermostat wire over there. Corey's getting the cord wired in. Got my hole cut through the rock for that. I'm going to put a piece of metal and some vent fast above the sheetrock to hold it. Just getting that set. And I got to figure out where to cut through the roof there. Probably just mark it with a level once I get this hole cut and this thing fastened. Gas line we just maneuvered and stuck straight down the hole there. Got my insulation sleeve there to keep the insulation 1 inch from the B-vent. 7-inch pipe basically. B-vent's 4.5. I made that 7. He's out straight. Looks good.